How to cash on delivery on Daraz. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode today. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Daraz. So then to begin with, first thing first, you need to make sure that you already have an account, and then to begin with, log in into your account. Now first of all, let me show you by selecting a product or adding the product to my cart. So I'm just going to select a random product for now. So let's say that I'm going to go with the following. I'm just going to go ahead and add the product to my cart. So once the product has been added to my cart, now you'll need to go ahead and tap the cart icon located in the top right hand side corner. So the cash on delivery or COD is highly going to depend on the product. If the owner has enabled the option of cash on delivery, then you'll be able to find the option to cash on delivery, or if the owner has not enabled, then you'll have to pay it online. Now as you can see, this is the particular product that I've added to my cart. If you're sure about checking the product out, then click on checkout, which is located right at the bottom. So I'm going to select the item and click the checkout button. Now this is going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and select the one. Go ahead and click the place order button located right at the bottom. So first of all, you need to go ahead and add the address. On entering the address and all sort of things, click on place order, which is located right at the bottom. After you're done adding the details, now it's going to ask you to select the payment method. So the payment method is going to be dependent on the owner or the product. Here you can see you can either do mobile wallet, or you can do credit card or debit card, or you can do bank account whatsoever. And along with that, you also have the option to cash on delivery. So click on cash on delivery, and after you've done that, you need to confirm the order by tapping on the confirm button. As soon as you've done that, you've successfully enable cash on delivery on the Daraz app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.